On Windows 11, if you notice that your computer is booting up slowly, there are several tips you can follow to speed up the startup time before planning on hardware upgrades. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to speed up boot time on Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu, search for Control Panel, and click the top result to open the app. Click on Power option. Click the Choose What, the Power button to option from the left pane. Click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Click the Turn on Fast Startup option to enable the feature on Windows 11. Then click Save Changes. Hope you understand. Restart the computer. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.